Check 33.
Check 34.
Check 35.
Check 36.
Check 37.
Check 38.
Check 39.
Check 40.
Check 41.
Check 42.
Check 43.
Check 44.
Check 45.
Check 46.
Check 47.
Check 48. Go 46.
That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. Oh, how could he know we two were so in love? The whole wide world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodbye, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. A nightingale sang. A nightingale sang. The streets of